Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar University. Today we'll see how to create Microsoft Azure free account. Okay, so in this video we'll see how to create a Microsoft Azure free account. Okay, so prerequisites are, so you should have one valid phone number, valid Gmail, and one credit card. Okay, so these are the prerequisite: one phone number, one mail ID, one credit card required. Okay, we'll log in and we'll see the same thing. One second, hold on. Open Google Chrome incognito mode, okay, and search for Microsoft Azure free account. So click the first URL. Create your Azure free account or pay as you go. Okay, so pay as you go. We are trying for try Azure for free. Click this one. Okay, give your mail. Okay, see, I'm giving my mail. So Praveen dbt october@gmail.com. So next. So it could not find. Okay, so get a new Microsoft account. So let me create one. So next. So we get a code. 1 second. Okay, give the code and give your details. Okay, suppose I can give in January 1, 1990, any number. Okay, so that's the first name. So Praveen Kumar. So you're getting Microsoft account. Okay. That's security. So everything's done. So we have created Microsoft account and we need to give the credit card details, all these things. Okay, see. So see for personal use. Okay, India region. So name. So this is my email address. Okay, so give the phone. Okay, so give the phone number I'm giving. The company. Okay, click ABC. Next, address. I'm putting Hyderabad. The remaining are optional. Just put as is. So Andhra Pradesh. Tandoori. Will take a couple of minutes. Okay, you see now USD 200. Okay, dollars will be paid to your first 30 days. Okay, for 30 days you can use this one freely. Okay, after this it's a pay as you. See, they mentioned clearly, you won't be charged unless you move to pay as you go pricing. Nothing but what, so see, after free trial, if after 30 days, okay, if you want to do, then so they'll be charging. Otherwise, they are not charging. So you won't be charged unless you move to pay as you go. Okay. So then you need to give your credit card details, okay, and we need to give all these things. Okay, hold on, I will give the same thing. After entering details, click on sign up. Get ₹2. Confirm. So you guys need to enable the international payment. Then it will be enabled. So everything is done. Okay, so just it will, okay, so it will try to reload the account. So your account is all set up. Okay, so just okay, we need to wait. So Microsoft free account has been created successfully. Okay, you can able to start and you can able to navigate all these things. Okay, for this purpose, what you should have? One credit card, one phone number, one email. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.